So the topic for today is abstraction. And this is a very important layer of computer because you can't do anything with a computer unless you have a symbolic system in place.
留洋英语
Right. So we're talking about the origin of symbolic systems. Language is a classic symbolic system. Apparently, one theory for why language evolved is that people communicated with sign language and with movement quite well for a long time. And it turned out that they wanted to communicate even while they were doing things. So, while they were trying to strangle the dinosaur, not the dinosaurs, the rhinoceros, they wanted to say "come help me," and they used sign language to do it.
留洋英
They
语
had to let go of the rhinoceros and the rhinoceros ran away. So you can see that it's a good idea to be able to do something with your hands and be able to communicate at the same time. Hence, words and language.